we self-destruct. Well, I'm back now, I'm seeking out this vengeance. Not to mention that this black cloud, it sticks around and visits my intuition, won't let me back down. And I swear to God, my heart is like a piston, pumping rage into this engine, turn the keys in my ignition. Listen, nobody likes me, it's enlightening, it excites me that I talk the shit with the lyrics I spit, and still nobody will fight me. Try walking a mile in my shoes and get beat with your own Nikes. I'm a grimy motherfucker with the mic, so call me Mikey. I got no patience lately from these fucking faggots faking, making lies up, wise up. If you really think you can take me, wake me up from this lazy battle. Battle you with my crazy battle, pay my dues back on the saddle, the lonely road that I slowly travel. This is my chance, maybe my last, and if I leave there's no way back. This is your fate when worlds collapse. I took my pain, now I'll give it back.
I give it back, only one of us will have that.
Now I'll give it back.
I give it back, break this whole fucking world in half.
Break this world in half. Nobody likes me, no one likes me, but I don't like them. I don't know. Nobody likes me, no one likes me. Why? 'Cause I don't like them. I don't know. You thought you figured it out, you thought you figured it out. You thought you figured it out, you thought